Cristobal is making its way through the Gulf of Mexico right now, inching closer to the Gulf Coast coastline. As it does so, it's going to be bringing tropical storm force conditions to Louisiana, Mississippi, as well as Alabama. But Cristobal is slightly more organized this morning compared to yesterday morning. We actually can see the circulation around the center. Yesterday, it was very lopsided. We had all this dry air on the western side, pushing all that moisture to the northeast side. And while the dry air isn't doing that so much, however, it's still influencing it and impacting Cristobal. In fact, this dry air that's trying its best to make its way to the center is likely preventing it from becoming even stronger as it reaches the Louisiana coastline. So like yesterday, we are talking about how it could possibly get into a stronger tropical storm. That's not looking like the case anymore, as that dry air is starting to impact the strength of the system. However, it's still a tropical storm, winds at 50 miles per hour. Moving to the north at 12, it's expected to make landfall along the Louisiana coastline later on this evening, possibly into the start of the overnight hours, and then slowly weaken as it makes its way inland from Louisiana into Arkansas. Now, as of right now, you can see it does have that structure as we take a look at the winds. We have that eye wall where the calmest winds are in the center of the eye, and on that eastern side, we have these strong tropical storm force winds. So they're starting to approach the coastline, and we're going to see more of these strong winds move farther inland as well. So Gulfport at our strongest winds right now in Mississippi at 23 miles per hour, 17 miles per hour in New Orleans, as well as Mobile. So as we head further into the day, we are going to be seeing these winds pick up to become tropical storm force winds, with wind gusts possibly up to 65 miles per hour. So right along the coastline, they still could see 3 to 6 inches of rain, possibly up to 10 inches of locally higher amounts, 2 to 5 feet of storm surge still possible with tropical storm force winds that will continue. Now, yesterday we saw all this rain on the northeastern to the eastern side of Cristobal, but as it continued to get a little bit stronger, we are seeing more of those rain showers swirl around that center. So now Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi, they're all seeing these heavy rains.